All right, boys and girls, we're going to practice our letter names and our sounds today. So we want to be experts, okay? So let's practice. Look up here. Follow Sharky. And I want to hear everybody. I want to see everybody's mouth moving. Okay? Look up here. Baby lamb, baby lamb. A. Basketball, basketball. B, B, B. Clicking camera. C. Dinosaur, dinosaur. D, D, D. Michael, head, head. F, E. Fan, fan. F. Gulping gopher. G, G, G. Hound dog. H. Icky pig. I. Jump rope. J. Clicking camera. K. Lapping line. L. Munchin monkey. M. Nosy nose. N. Sore throat. O. Popcorn. P. Quack the ducks. Quack. Q. Robot. R. Sizzling sausage. S. Come on, Alyssa. Ticking time. T. Tugboat. U. Vacuum. V. Washing machine. W. Exiting X. X. Yakety yaks. Y. And zipper. Z. Now there's one that we need to practice. Look at the X and listen to the sound. Some people are saying sk. They're saying the s and then the k. All right, let's try it again. Exiting X. X. That was much better. Very good.